Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have another review on another side of AI. In this video we have a text to video AI generator. Your output is text and your input you will get receive video. So you just have to give an idea or a title or some texts for your video, and they will create you complete video like stock videos, voiceover, and also subtitle for you. So let's dive into our today's video and do not waste more time. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, our today's site is Fliki AI. So first of all, you have to go on your browser and search for Fliki. It will shows you the official site. You can see in here the pricing. First of all, we have to review on pricing. You can buy the free version. You can just give 5 minutes of credit per month, 300 limited twice, 75 languages, and 100 dialects. In here you can see the magically creates videos with ideas, blog articles, PowerPoints, and tweets, thousands of images, videos, clips, stickers, and music assets, and generate AI images, HD and HD quality you can download, but it has 720 pixel low resolution videos, and it also contains a flaky watermark. So let's start now. You can click on and continue with Google Rajo Ganja. So after
How to get started with Fliki. Select Files option from the top panel. Click on New File button. Enter the name of the file.
And here you are seeing the first and here you can see the videos which is providing you how to use Fliki
And select if it is audio or video and hit Create. This brings you to the script-based editor.
You're seeing it too easy.
First, let's explore the common scene, where you can add layers that will display throughout your
Okay, let's test it out how it's working. First of all, we have to select the file or create new file. Enter the language is English, US, United States. File name, for example, ATP, and portrait idea, blog tweet idea. Submit to wait for processing. In here you have to type the idea, and after that, like some things, shopping online, from Amazon. Durations, you can select some things like 30 seconds, and using stock AI art or sound effects. First of all, we just have to select easily stock media and select on submit. You have to wait few seconds to be complete the process. You have to wait, so it's processing for you. And now you can see your video is ready. Click on video and see it.
Sing the ultimate online shopping experience. On Amazon, every day feels like a holiday with boxes at your doorstep. Navigate diverse categories.
Just simply like this. You can start creating magic videos like this with stock media, voiceover, and also it gives you the subtitle it's complete for you. You can use it.
explore countless products, and enjoy incredible discounts with ease. Secure transactions, easy returns, and unparalleled customer service guarantee your peace of mind. Join millions worldwide trusting Amazon, the world's largest virtual marketplace.
You can see it's also provide for you uh, data for like something's exactly data what you have typed about the ideas. In this part you can change the voiceover, you can add some layers, and also you can change the text or the photo or videos of stock
Shop smart,
videos.
live better with Amazon. Unbox happiness today.
In this part you can select some layers to customize, but in this part you can just click easily on download and start export. It will start exporting for you. It says wait. You will be notified via email when your file is ready to download. You can close this pop-up and continue working on other files. If you make any changes in current files while export is in progress, your export will fail. So you have to take care about, and you have to wait for to be complete. So you can go to Gmail and see when it's going to be complete. But for right now, we are waiting for the process to be completed, and then we can see our videos is ready to use. You can download, upload it on your YouTube channel. For example, you can upload some shorts using these videos and some things even much more. And this was totally today's videos about reviewing the Fliki AI, which is text to video, and not just videos. It also provide you voiceover, also provide you extra uh, options like selecting layout, selecting voiceover, selecting stock medias, or something more, generating different things for you. It is one of the best sides of AI text to videos. So after that, processing will be finished, and you can download the file by clicking this. Easy peasy. Okay, goodbye for right now. We'll see you on another videos.